Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of block 15, which is length, isn't it, children? And we have learned how to draw the line using the ruler, using the scale, isn't it, children? The first topic. So, in the second topic, we are going to learn how to convert centimeter to meter, okay, and meter to centimeter also, vice versa, also. Okay, let's see, children. So, convert 4,200 centimeters to meters, isn't it, children? So 4,200 centimeters is equal to dash meters they have given. That means you have to convert these centimeters into meters, and you know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, isn't it, children? So here when we are converting centimeters to meters, that is smaller unit to the bigger unit, then you have to divide, children. Okay, with what we have to divide? With 100. Okay, why? Because 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, isn't it, children? So we have to divide the centimeters by 100 to get the value in meters. Okay, so 4,200 you have to divide it with 100, like this. You already know, isn't it, children? If there are zeros in the dividend and divisor, then you can directly cancel the zeros, isn't it, children? So in ones place I have cancelled, in tens place also, in both the numbers you have zeros, so you can directly cancel like this. Now what is left out? 42 divided by 1, then the answer would be 42 only, isn't it, children? So you will write 42 meters. Okay, that means 4,200 centimeters is equal to 42 meters. Okay, finally what you will write? Therefore 4,200 centimeters is equal to 42 meters. Okay, now let's see next sum. Now here they have given in meters, we have to convert into centimeters. So when we are converting bigger value to the smaller value, then we have to multiply with 100 itself, because it is standard, right? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, or 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So what we have to do is, here we need to multiply, that is 311 into 100 centimeters. So we have learned that when you are multiplying with 10, 20, 30, you can simply add the zeros at the end after multiplying. Here we are multiplying with 1, isn't it? 100, 100. So 1, so you can write 311 as it is, and then you can add lastly the two zeros. There are two zeros, 100, no, two zeros. So that becomes 31,100 centimeters. Okay, children. So when we are converting bigger value, bigger unit to the smaller unit, then we need to multiply. But when we are converting smaller unit to bigger unit, then you need to divide. That you have to be, remember, you should not get confused because of that. Okay, children. So finally what you will write? Therefore 311 meters is equal to 31,100 centimeter. Okay, let's see another sum here, children. So 6 meters, 69 centimeters, and you have to convert all this into centimeters. In the question, it is a combination of meters and centimeters, isn't it, children? You have 6 meters, and along with that, you have 69 centimeters. Yes, so what we have to do? We have to convert this 6 meters also into 6 centimeters. Then we need to add that centimeters and 69 centimeters together, and we have to write. Let's see how. So first, let's separate meters and centimeters. How we will separate? Just by using the addition symbol. Okay, addition symbol is nothing but adding together, isn't it, children? So I'm just putting a plus symbol so that its meaning does not change. Okay, so 6 meters and 69 meters, so I have just kept a plus, which means 6 meters and 69 centimeters. Now this 6 meters you need to convert into centimeters. How we have to do? We need to multiply with 100, isn't it, children? Why with 100? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, isn't it, children? So that's why this 6 meters we will multiply with 100 centimeters, and 69 centimeters you will write it as it is. Okay, why? Because we are not doing anything to 69 centimeters. We are just copying it down. If you don't write, that means that 69 centimeters is not there. So to avoid that confusion, you need to copy it down as it is 69 centimeters. Okay, now 6 into 100. 6 into 100 centimeters will give us 600 centimeters plus 69 centimeters. Again, you will copy it down. Now, 600 centimeters and 69 centimeters, both are the same units, centimeters and centimeters, isn't it, children? So we can simply add it, children. Do remember, children, when the units are different, even though it is length, but if you have one big unit and a smaller unit, then we can't add, like 6 meter 69 centimeter. Even though it is length, we have written separately meters and centimeters. But if you have both centimeters or both meters, then you can directly add them. Okay, 600 centimeters plus 69 centimeters, both have centimeters only as units, isn't it, children? So we will simply add it and we will write it. 600 plus 69 will give us 669. So if you are unable to do the addition like this, use your working column in your notebook, the rough column, the working column in your notebook, and add it. Okay, you will get 669 centimeters. That means 6 meters 69 centimeters is equal to 669 centimeters. Okay, so in this way you need to solve the sum. Next, you have 940 centimeters, which we have to convert into meters and centimeters. Now children, for this what I will do is I'll separate hundreds and tens. So 940, I'll write it as 900 centimeters plus 40 centimeters. Isn't it, children? I am just separating them. Like expanded form I'm writing. After writing, what I'll do is I'll convert the centimeters into meters. How we can convert centimeters into meters? By dividing by 100, isn't it, children? So that what I will do here. So for 900, I'll divide by 100 for converting from centimeters to meters. Now 40 centimeters I cannot convert. I cannot divide with 100, isn't it, children? That 100 is a 3-digit number. 40 is a 2-digit number. Now that I cannot convert. So I'll make sure that I'll write 40 centimeters as it is. Okay, so 900 centimeters, 900 divided by 100 meters. Whenever we are dividing with 100, then that becomes meters, isn't it, children? And so now what I can do, as we do if the ones place is zeros for divider and dividend, we can simply cancel it, isn't it, children? And in tens place also we have both dividend and divisor we have 0, so we will cancel. Okay, that becomes 9 divided by 1. So if you do it also, the answer will be 9, isn't it? So finally what I'll write, 9 meters plus 40 centimeters, because this 40 centimeters we cannot convert into meters. If we have to convert, we have to add 60 centimeters more, then that becomes 1 meter again, isn't it, children? So 9 meters plus 40 centimeters. Now meters is bigger unit and centimeters is the smaller unit, isn't it? So we can't add it. So we will write side by side as 9 meters 40 centimeters. Now we got the answer. 940 centimeters is equal to 9 meters 40 centimeters. Therefore you will write the same. 940 centimeters is equal to 9 meters 40 centimeters. Okay, children. So these are the sums you have. There are few more in your daily schedule. Please copy it down in your class workbook, children. Okay. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 2, page number 36, S2. Convert centimeter into meter. Okay. In the next class, we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.